Multiple choice questions on General Studies and General Abilities, Part 29. Question number 281. One of the following programs was announced in the Union Budget for 22-23 to develop ropeways in hilly areas in India. Option A, Bharatmala. Option B, Girjanmala. Option C, Parvatmala. Option D, Skyway Mala. The correct answer is option C, Parvatmala. Let us see the explanation. Parvatmala, that is, the National Ropeways Development Program, was announced in the Union Budget for 22-23. It focuses on improving connectivity in hilly areas. The scheme has been launched for areas like Manipur, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, and other northeastern states. So the correct answer is option C, Parvatmala. Question number 282. Which of the following census recorded the lowest sex ratio in India? Option A, 1981. Option B, 1991. Option C, 2001. Option D, 2011. The correct answer is option B, 1991. Let us see the explanation. You can see the given table. First column indicates year, second column indicates females per 1000 males. Let us see the year and females per 1000 males. In that, in the year of 1991, females per 1000 males are 929. This is the least value among 1901 to 2001. So the correct answer is option B, 1991. This year having lowest sex ratio in India. Question number 283. From where to where the Rajoli Banda Padayatra was organized in 2003? Option A, Gadwal to Mahabub Nagar. Option B, Nagar Karnool to Vanaparthi. Option C, Alampur to Gadwal. Option D, Vanaparthi to Gadwal. The correct answer is option C, Alampur to Gadwal. Let us see the explanation. The Rajoli Banda Padayatra in 2003 was organized from Rajoli Banda in Andhra Pradesh to Alampur. The march was significant for addressing issues related to water sharing and the needs of local farmers. So the correct answer is option C, Alampur to Gadwal. Question number 284. Who is the chairman of the Niti Aayog? Option A, President. Option B, Minister of Finance. Option C, Prime Minister. Option D, Minister of Planning and Development. The correct answer is option C, Prime Minister. Let us see the explanation. PM Narendra Modi is the chairperson of Niti Aayog. The Niti Aayog stands for National Institution for Transforming India. It is a policy think tank of the Government of India, formed on January 1st, 2015. Its headquarters at New Delhi. Niti Aayog replaced Planning Commission with emphasis on the bottom-up approach to envisage the vision of maximum governance, minimum government. So the correct answer is option C, Prime Minister. Question number 285. The Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission was launched in which year? Option A 2018, option B 2019, option C 2020, option D 2021. The correct answer is option D, that is 2021. Let us see the explanation. The Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission was launched in the year of 2021 to connect digital health solutions of various hospitals with each other. A milestone has been achieved under the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, as over 25 crore health records have been successfully linked to the Ayushman Bharat health accounts. So the correct answer is option D, 2021. Question number 286. Which of the following is not a millet? Option A, jowar, option B, ragi, option C, rye, option D, bajra. The correct answer is option C, rye. Let us see the explanation. Rye is not a millet crop. Millets called coarse grains can be grown in less fertile sandy soil regions. It requires very little rainfall and a temperature which is moderate or beyond. Ragi, bajra and jowar are significant examples of millet crops cultivated in India. Apart from India, millets have been growing in the regions of countries like Nigeria from the African continent and China of Asia. Question number 287. Which forest produce is used to roll beedis in Telangana? Option A, Rusa Gaddi, option B, Mahua, option C, Tunikaku, option D, Veduru. The correct answer is option C, Tunikaku. Let us see the explanation. You can see the Tunikaku figure in the provided in this explanation. Question number 288. In which year the East India Company government introduced English as the medium of instruction? Option A 1835, option B 1817, option C 1853, option D 1800. The correct answer is option A 1835. Let us see the explanation. In 1835 to reallocate monies that the East India Company was mandated by British Parliament to spend on education and literature in India. The British government selected English as the medium of instruction for schools and universities in the same year. Question number 289. In which one of the following undivided districts of Telangana Gondwana coal fields are found? Option A Adilabad district, option B Mahabubnagar district, option C Medak district, option D Rangareddy district. The correct answer is option A Adilabad district. Let us see the explanation. The Gondwana coal fields in Telangana are found in the Adilabad district. This region is known for its rich coal reserves, which are a part of the larger Gondwana geological formation in India. Question number 290. Who among the following considered as the political mentor of Gandhiji? Option A, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Option B, Mahadev Govind Ranade. Option C, Rabindranath Tagore. Option D, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. The correct answer is option D, Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Let us see the explanation. Gandhi was deeply influenced by Gopalakrishna Gokhale and referred to him as his political guru. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.